Hello friends, today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig wearing her chicken costume. First, let's draw the beak and head of the chicken as Peppa Pig's hat. Next, the chicken's eyes and feet. Now, the shape of Peppa Pig's head. Let's draw her nose and eyes. Her lips and cheek. Look, Peppa Pig's eyes have opened. Let's draw the shape of her body. And her skirt. Are you having fun so far? Glad to hear that. Next, her arms and hands. Peppa Pig is happy to see you. Her legs and feet. Let's draw her tail. And a few feather-like things on her gown. It's going to be a great time to color Peppa Pig together. Peppa Pig moves with her hands like she were a chicken flying. Do you like the chicken's color? I feel the same way. It's a vivid yellow that resembles a rising sun. Wearing a chicken costume is like being wrapped in a bundle of the softest, fluffiest feathers. Ever wondered what chickens are saying? In a chicken costume, you become a master of clucks and chirps. It's like having your very own chicken language that only the coolest cluckers can understand. Would you dress up as a chicken for your Halloween party? It could be exciting. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.